Morning dear students. So today we will discuss about our next topic, that is the fertilization. Fertilization is the process of fusion of male and female gamete to form a zygote during sexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction के टाइम पे जब मेल और फीमेल गैमेट फ्यूज होते हैं एंड फॉर्मेशन होती है जाइगोट की, उस प्रोसेस को हम बोलते हैं fertilization. In the previous video we learnt about where the male and female gametes are formed. So here we will discuss how they come across and how they will fertilize. So we had discussed pollination also previously. So pollination is followed by fertilization in plants. Pollination के बाद क्या होता है? Fertilization. Now what are the events that involved here? First of all, pollen grain lands on the stigma of ovary. pollen grain जो है वो ovary की stigma पे land करता है, and after that pollen tube grows out of the pollen grain, travel through style and reach the ovary through micropyle. What is this? Let us see here. This is the stigma of carpel. So pollen grain lands here. First event is the land of pollen grain on the stigma, and after that second one is the formation of pollen tube. You can see here, this is the pollen tube. Only one pollen grain is capable of forming pollen tube. Another pollen grain will not form any pollen tube. So when pollen tube formation takes place here male germ cells, two male germ cells are present in this pollen tube. Two male germ cells are present. So this pollen tube enters into the ovule through micropyle. This one is known as micropyle. Pollen tube has two male germ cells, as I told you, and each ovule has two polar nuclei and a female germ cell. These are the polar nuclei. You can see here, there are two nucleus. These two nucleus are combined here, so this is known as polar nuclei, and here one is female germ cell, or you can say female gamete. So male germ cells are coming from here, female germ cells are present here. सो पॉलन ट्यूब रिलीजेस टू मेल गैमेट. पॉलन ट्यूब ने जो है दो मेल गैमेट रिलीज किए, मेल जर्म सेल्स इनसाइड द ओव्यूल. वन ऑफ देम फ्यूजेस विद फीमेल जर्म सेल्स एंड फॉर्म्स अ जायगोट. टू मेल जर्म सेल्स दैट आर कमिंग फ्रॉम हेयर, वन फ्यूजेस विद female germ cells. Let us see here, these two are the male germ cells. One of the male germ cell fuses with this female germ cell and results in the formation of zygote, and zygote finally grows into baby plant, that is the embryo, and the fusion is known as syngamy. This process is known as syngamy. Now the other male gamete, here are two male gamete, one fused with the female germ cells, other male gamete fuses with the polar nuclei. Now you can see here, there is the fusion of two nucleus. One is the male germ cell and another is the female germ cell, but in this case there is a fusion of one male germ cells and two nucleus of polar nuclei. Polar nuclei contain two nucleus. So the other male germ cell fuses with two polar nuclei, and this process is known as triple fusion. Why it is known as triple fusion? Because there is the fusion of three nucleus here. So in flowering plants, two fusions takes place during fertilization. You can see here, one is syngamy and another one is triple fusion. So two fusions takes place here. That's why this type of fertilization is known as double fertilization. Now we will study the post fertilization events, means what happens after the fertilization. After fertilization, the following changes takes place in the flower. The zygote जो है कहाँ बना था? During the process of syngamy. So zygote will convert into embryo. Zygote divides several times and forms an embryo inside the ovule. The ovule develops a tough coat and change into seed. For example, this is the ovule and zygote is present here. So zygote converts into embryo and ovule converts into seed. And the ovary, this part is the ovary converts into fruit. Let us see here, ovary converts into fruit. This one ovule, this is the ovule, this converts into seed, and this one another part, that is zygote, it converts into embryo. So these are the parts of, you can say, fruit. These are present inside the fruit. Petals, sepals, stamen, style and stigma shrivel off and fall off. Means after the fertilization, when the formation of these takes place, then petal, sepals, stamen, style, that doesn't have any function, so they shrivel, सूख जाते हैं and fall off, गिर जाएंगे. Now what are the seed and its parts? The advantage of seed is that it protects the future plant. As I told you that embryo is present inside the seed. This is the seed and this is the embryo. So embryo is present inside the seed. Seed protects the future plant, or you can say embryo. Embryo has now two parts. Embryo has mainly two parts, that is the plumule and radicle. You can see in this diagram, this one is the radicle on the lower side, this is the radicle, and this one is the plumule. So plumule helps in the formation of stem and radicle helps in the formation of root. So plumule develops into shoot, that is stem, and radicle develops into root. Okay, now the process of development of seedling. Seedling is the small plant which has small roots and so on, small stems from the embryo under appropriate conditions is known as germination. So germination is the process of development of seedling from the embryo. Embryo से seedling का develop होना, that process is known as germination. So this is all about the sexual reproduction in flowering plants. In the next class we will discuss about the human reproduction. Thank you.